Let's go through the ingredients of today's lemon rice recipe. Here I have half a cup of peanuts, 3/4 cup of rice, a lemon, turmeric, split black lentil, saffetida, black mustard seeds, oil and some curry leaves. Let's take 3/4 cup of rice, and as always we will wash it 3 to 4 times before using it. Now let's soak it in water and keep it aside for 10 minutes. In the meantime, in a wok, take 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, then add half teaspoon of saffetida. Then add 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of split black lentils and 10 to 12 curry leaves. Now let's add the peanuts. Let's talk about the nutritional benefits of peanuts. Peanuts are protein rich, they provide energy, have low glycemic index and have good carbs and good fats. Here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Let's add the soaked rice. Mix it up. 100 grams of peanuts contain 607 kilocalories, 25.7 grams of protein and 7.6 grams of fiber. Here I'm adding half a pint of water. Salt to taste. Mix well. As we can see that the water has reduced, so we will let the rice cook on medium heat for another 7 to 8 minutes. Now since there's no water left now, so we will let the rice cook on low heat for another few minutes until they are completely cooked. There is a lot of debate around how carbs enhances protein synthesis. Do let me know your thoughts on this. Cut and squeeze a lemon. Now again, squeeze the lemon after turning off the heat. Mix it and bon appetit! For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.